Hi my loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome and welcome. And if you are my day one, welcome back my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I really do appreciate all the love and the support that you guys show me. It really means a lot. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to make umqombothi. Umqombothi butywala ke. Normally buyenziwa emigidini, emicembini, and abanye bathi yintoni African beer, right? I think that's what it's called. So apha I'm measuring. Ndisezilalini kwam ndibuyile. Apha idate yi-30. Ndisanukubuya nje ekhaya from la msebenzi wamatye. So I've mixed everything together. I have boiling water there. I have lahom and yogumileyo. There you go. I'm putting amanzi ashushu. I don't know why they do it, but if no kufaka amanzi ashushu pha and then igume, and then ke I'm mixing amanzi abandayo namanzi ashushu to make it like lukewarm water, if I can put it that way. And that's my husband. I think he was like, baby, are you ready? I'm hungry. Or we are hungry. But now I'm putting together the mixture that I did. And to be honest, I honestly don't know if I was supposed to put the water first or put the mixture first. But I did it how I saw fitting. And here ndiphethe umthuthu ngala plate and then ndikalela amanzi. What I'm gonna do is ndilibele the temp, but I will write it down here. So that's what I'm doing. Because kudala what they would do kwakuthatha intambo. If uyakhumbula xa kwenziwa indlu yengca kwakuba khona ezaa ntambo ezolukwayo, sometimes sesidlala ngazo gqapha ezaa ntambo, kwakuthatha loo ntambo kubhinqiswe ifatyi ngayo.
The next day.
So apha ke ngoku it is the next day. I don't know if you guys can notice ngumsizi lowa there. Ndikhandoni igwele apha ndiyopheka. This is me in my makoti era ke sana linqanqaza ilanga ukutshisa oku. Liseziko ke sana ndikhwezela umlilo. So apha ndizawupheka ke ngoku obatywala bendibudidiyela izolo. So this is me outside ndipheka phansi, basically. Like this is I was so tired guys here, but I did it anyway because me and mom was like, sana lwam, I don't care how tired you are, into ozawuyenza ukwenza kukusila umqombothi apha ekaya. And I learned that umakhulu in-law used to do this actually every December. Like she would make sure that kwenziwa umqombothi. So I guess my husband wants to keep the tradition, and I don't know if I'm up for it. I literally don't know if I'm up for it. Now so isidudu sam. I will have to say, you will see this later on, my first situdu that I made, or porridge that I made it too thick because ndigalele lantlama bendiyimixile phana yabaninzi, so it was way too thick. In actual fact, I would have maybe ndenze esisidudu maybe in 3 parts or even 4 parts, because uzayibona xa seyixhapha apha. But it's so thick. And I actually don't know, but I had a footage of me having isidudu, but I don't know if I'm gonna find it. If I find it, I'll put it somewhere here and show you guys. Oh, besemnandi, besinewalanda uyimuncu kahle. But yeah, this is me sana in my makoti era. I don't have this pot. I actually had to go borrow on neighbor. Thank God for good neighbors. Because sana, I don't know what I would have done because and the motor yethu would not accommodate such things. But naso used to do some and on top of it all, I ended up adding again because I wasn't sure if this is thick enough. But it was actually thick enough, and maybe way too thick than it would have been. But in ndimke sana lowo ndiyazamisa ngephini isidudu sam sana lwam. Then you can keep watching, and then I will come back and tell you more about this whole process. Good morning, loves. I am busy in the Ikwala, and this is probably gonna be the vlog. Like, I'll be showing you guys how to make umqombothi, and this is my first time making umqombothi from scratch by myself, with myself. So this is gonna be quite an experience. I was nervous yesterday. I got here so late, with around 5, after 5, and then I started to prepare to ukudidiyela umqombothi. So ndamdidiyela, qomam umdidiyela. I made food. We had like brothers-in-laws that were here with my husband, so we made food. Luckily they already bendenzele ubhuti isikuyo nobhuti video bebesebendibekele inyama, so I just made a stew, and oh my gosh, iqhapha izinto izofika apha. Andifuna ukutsha sana, iqhapha izofika apha. But yeah, we did that, and ndalala. This morning when I woke up, uyabila, so ndaboleka imbiza for ukumpheka. So now uyaxapha, and I'm gonna put another one on it, and then yeah, sibone ba kwenziwa njani. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put in the kuthiwa yintona nena izenzothi ucwambu, ayocwambu yintoni lalawo manzi nakanena abizwa ngoba yintona nena, there's a name for it. I forgot the name of it, but yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Dipege the second pot of this. Disitini and this eye, like put it in separate dishes and things, and yeah. So since I'll pull out the whole of today, it's after 11 now. So after like maybe tomorrow at around the same time, asesipholile sesibanda nca isidudu. Ndizosivubela ke ngoku, ndisivubele qoba mosivubela, ndisifake erhomini, usifaka erhomini, ndisilinde ke ngoku side sibile sitsale, like the fermentation of it, and then yeah, I'll take it from there. After that, funeke ndisihluzile, ugqiba mosihluza, then ndisiyeke ke ngoku again for the next day. let's say ndisihluza namhlanje ngomso siyasela like ligqibe basically utsala. So yeah, that's what I'm doing.
The next day.
And this part is called ukuvubela, and this is the third part.
Aziqinanga isidudu sami. Suka ndaba nexhala. Asiqine.
Apha ke ndiyavubela, as you can see, I have because I made 2 parts of the whole stew or porridge, and the last part was not so thick because, like I said, I had used too much of that mixture on my first part and made it too thick. So this one on the bucket was nice and light because it was not so thick. That actually helped me a lot in terms of, because so I was like, damn, it's not supposed to be this thick. And what I did was transfer the thick one to the one that was not so thick and then mix them together. You get the gist of it. So that's what I did. That's the whole gist of it. And it came out very nice though. My husband said he's not very knowledgeable about umqombothi uba utaste njani xa sewuready, but he said it was very nice. It was nice. So yeah. ndagqiba ke ukuvubela. Now I was transferring everything back into ifaki leyana okanye umgqomo okanye irhom. So this is what I was doing here. After that, I had to make sure that everything was clean, because sana if ushiya isidudu umqombothi ezintweni and not wash them, sana you will regret it later. And here I was calling my sister trying to find out something. I cannot really remember what I wanted to ask her, but I wanted to ask her something, but she was not available. And then this is to show you when I am done. Listen, I'm such a big girl, Kesana. And this was 2 days later. Umqombothi took so long. Uba ubile. And as you can see, it was not even like ubone xa ubile ukhuphuma. Yeah.
So I am about ukuhluza umqombothi. I have a sieve here. So to do that, and then I'm gonna use this big pot. Hope you guys can see it. But it's the same pot I used when I was cooking it. So let us do it. Let's do so. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know, I think I should put you guys somewhere here, right? But like this, you know. Okay, like that. Let's close this door. But yeah, I'm gonna, once in the kabusef, I'm gonna empty into this bucket. I'm also gonna use this one and this one if it gets full. And then because I'm not ngaza, I'm gonna use this bucket as in am. Yeah, I think we should be ready. All right, let's do it.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe
I'm done. Dancing naza sentla. We put it in, and then so we select home a clean and without the blanket now. If you notice, if unomqoba, usebenzisa umqoba, but because anginawo umqoba, so now that is naza yasentla siyikhile sibuyisela everything. Ehluziweyo ukutya kwabantu abadzwele. There we go. We are done. And this is how umqombothi looks like. And everything. It tastes so good. It tastes so good. I actually tried it. I was like, tastes so nice. And now we order everything. My husband is so dramatic. My husband went to buy this because the city out there. So I guess I'm just gonna put it here as well. Order everything. So we are done. That's how you make umqombothi. So it's so bright. Baguette. We are done, and that is how you make umqombothi. So thank you so much for watching until this far, and I shall see you in my next video.
The next day.